Welcome to Isvara Wellness Studio. Today we are going to practice Viloma Pranayama. We breathe all day without thinking about it. One long breath in, one long breath out. But in Viloma Pranayama, we do something a little different. Viloma means going against the natural flow. And in this practice, that means we interrupt the inhale deliberately rather than letting it flow in one continuous movement. So instead of one long, smooth breath in, we break it into steps. A little air in, then a pause, a little more air in, again a pause, then all the way inhale until the lungs are completely full. The great yoga master BKS Iyengar described it like climbing a staircase. You take a step, you pause on that step, and then you take the next one. So there is no rush here. Each pause is simply a resting point. So let's start the practice. We start in a lying position first because when the body is fully supported, you have nothing else to manage and you can give your complete attention to the breath. So come onto your back, legs relaxed, feet falling apart naturally, arms alongside the body, palms facing up. If you have a folded blanket, tuck it under your head and shoulders just enough to feel comfortable. Before we begin, let's talk about the pause between inhalation because it's important to understand what it actually feels like. When I say pause, I don't mean grip or hold. A lot of us, when we hear that word, immediately start to tighten up. The throat closes a little and the belly grips. That's not what we want here. The pause in Viloma is much softer than that. You inhale for a few seconds and then you simply stop inhaling. The breath just sits inside you quietly. The diaphragm stops moving, but it doesn't squeeze. The throat stays open and the face stays relaxed. You are just letting the breath rest there for a moment before continuing. If at any point you feel any strain, just let the breath go and start again. There is no strain in this practice. Now, when you are ready, close your eyes and feel the floor underneath you. Let your body weight drop and take 2 or 3 normal breaths just to arrive into your body. Let's begin with a gentle exhale. Breathe everything out through the nose. Now we are going to inhale in 3 steps with a small pause between each one. I will count you through it. Inhale 1, 2. Hold 1, 2. Now inhale a little more 1, 2. Let it rest 1, 2. Keep inhaling, filling the lungs all the way to the top. Hold there for a moment. Now exhale all the way out in one long smooth breath. Just a slow continuous release. Let it all go. Well done. Take one normal breath here and let the body settle. Now let's do that again. This time, see if you can feel the quality of the pause. It should feel quiet and easy, not an effort at all. Exhale first. Breathe everything out gently. Inhale 1, 2. Hold there 1, 2. Inhale a little more 1, 2. And pause again 1, 2. One last inhale, filling the lungs completely to the top. Hold. And exhale all the way out. Slow and smooth. One continuous breath. Take your time. Good. Take one normal breath and let the body settle for a moment. Last round. This time I will give you a little more space and guide you more gently. Try to find your own pace within the steps. Exhale everything out first. Inhale 1, 2. Pause. Inhale a little more. Pause again. One final inhale to the top. Hold. And now exhale slowly, completely, all the way out. Now, if your breath feels steady and comfortable, continue this practice at your own pace and continue for as many rounds as feels right for you today. Let your body tell you when it is ready to stop. Now, when you are ready, let the breath return to its own natural rhythm. Don't guide it at all. Just breathe normally and observe how it feels. When this practice becomes more comfortable lying down, you can begin to bring it into a seated position, sitting with your spine tall and your hands resting on your knees. The practice is exactly the same, just a different position. Regular practice of Viloma Pranayama builds lung capacity, steadier breath, less anxiety, and a quality of focus that starts to carry through into your everyday life. You will feel it not just on the mat, but in the moments when you need it most. Next week, I'll be sharing the stage 2 of Viloma Pranayama, where we interrupt the exhales. It has a deeply calming quality and builds beautifully from what you have practiced today. So, see you next week. Namaste.